what this means, everybody new to the 2-minute EWO, we have to find the first candle, the second candle beyond the set of candles. So you're looking for a candle that is taller, and then yes, that is the entry. If I look at these first set of candles, you see how they're all flat and they're the same? I don't enter those. They're all the same. I don't want no candles that are the same. The reason is just like this. None of these are an entry candle. You guys all see these? These are garbage. So the reason is we wanted to have a move, which you can see right here. You see how this one is bigger than this one? So we're looking for a candle larger than the first, I always say the first candle because we got to have some kind of starting point, right? So when I say second candle, all it means is it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, there could be 5, and then boom, there it is. Right? It just means it's the second candle that is obviously, bigger than the first set, but it's hard to explain that. So I always just say second candle. So that's what it means. So great question. Now let's break this down. Let's look at your trade. Let's look at the full 2-minute EWO on Apple. All right. So we can get an idea of what's going on. And I'm going to show you this trade. First set right here. Is it larger? Sure. It's kind of tough. It's been red the whole time, but that's okay. Let's say by some crazy chance you jump in on this, you get in here, you get burned. Now, I heard you talking about percentages. 25 to 40% only. And I repeat, everybody knew, only is the entry and only when it makes sense. If you were in a call and this breaks down and you get all these big giant bloody candles and it's already changed color, you don't need to wait 25%. You don't need to wait 6%. It's already telling you, get out, get out, get out, long candle, get out. Do you see what I mean?
Yep.
It's just in the questionable. Then we'll say right here, let's say you're like, oh, I'm on the fence. So here's your first trade, junk. Here's your second trade. I don't even know if I would get in this. You guys see any of these that are forming longer than the other? It's just, that's terrible, right?
Yep.
And it's loitering around VWAP. The other thing that I always tell you guys is never trade if it can't leave VWAP. The reason is because it'll just sit here and chop up around that level, right? It doesn't know what it wants to do. Now, it could keep touching, and it breaks through. Well, if that's the case, you're going to then start getting the candles that it should look like, right? Nice longer candles. Great. So first trade, junk. Second trade, no way I'd get in it. Third trade, I get in on this one or this one. Do you see it?
Yep.
Here's your payday. Check it out. See this?